Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We're back with Build the Terminator and we've got issue 54. Okay, so in issue 54 there's a couple of things we've done before, we've done over the last few weeks. So let's show you what we're going to be doing. So first off, parts here. And these are what we're going to be getting. We've had these four parts before. This one we've never had before. And we don't get to use that one in this issue. So all we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking this cylinder here, sliding it through here till it comes like that. Then we're going to be gluing this little cap on to here, so it looks like this. Then we're going to be bringing back the bit that we had left over from last week, plugging that into there with a bit of glue, so it looks like that. Then we're going to be taking this section here, sliding it up like we did last week, until we've got the two rods stuck in both sides. And then all we've got to do is plug them in, just like that. This one I did already plug in last week. They are easy to clip in and out. And that's what we should have left over at the end. And of course at the back, what's coming up next week. And as you can see, we've got a nice big bit of thigh there. This is the right thigh. So yeah, again, there's not too much to do this week. So we'll get these parts out of the packaging. We'll get our T800 on the table. We'll get our glue and we'll get building. Okay, so first off, what we're going to need this piece here. And it does taper off on one side a bit smaller than it does the other. And we're going to need this section here. So what we're going to do is we're going to slide this in through the bigger end till it comes out the smaller end, and it will not come out any further than that. Then we're going to take our little cap and we need to push this down there. It just wants us to put a touch of glue all the way around, so I'm going to do that now. Just round the seam on the inside here. So run that round. Just like that. Now we can apply this onto here. So we're going to slide it over this one all the way down, and we're going to pull that into there, locking that into place just on there. So now we're going to need this section here that we got a couple of issues back. So what we're going to do is we're going to apply some glue just around this edge again on this one. So let's do that now, and then we're going to be pushing this in the other side of our assembly. A little bit more, just like that. Now this is going to go in this opposite side here, and this is going to stop this piston from coming out. I'm just going to apply a little bit of pressure till the glue takes, just like that. So now we've got this working just like the other one. So now we've got two of these. I do have the other one down here. So we've got this one and we got this one. Okay, so just like last week when we put this side in, when we plugged that into there, we're going to do exactly the same with this side. All we're going to do is slide that down there, and we're going to be plugging that straight into there. And that's just got these sides all connected on. Yeah, so with these on now we've got these parts left over. This was one from this week, this is the one from last week. We don't use these in this issue again, so we can store these until next week. We also have these two pistons now ready made. So they're going to connect on to here eventually and onto the leg, just like so. I'll put that one that way. So they are numbered 1 and 2. So just like that. And they're going to sit just on there. And then next week we start work on this piece of thigh. We're going to fit the hip part to the top of the right thigh. So I believe probably one of these parts here are going to be going onto here, up here in this section here. So that's it guys, thank you very much for joining me. Join me again next week when we look at issue 55, when we get that nice big thigh piece that we can take a look at. We'll have a look and see if it's plastic or metal. I don't actually know how much we're going to be doing. It says we're going to be fitting parts to it, so it could be a couple of little things to do with that. So we'll have a look at that next week. As for the DeLorean, that's been delayed so far. Eagle Moss are having some stock issues with getting the stock in. 14 of the 15 issues that I've already paid for are out of stock, and they cannot send me them until they've got them in stock. They said it could be weeks, could be months. So I'm going to have to wait and see on that. The Ecto one, that has been shipped, I believe, so that should be here very, very soon. We've also got this, the Fokker Wolf, that's going to be coming. I'm going to be doing this over the next week or two. And also I'm going to be bringing a new build to the channel at the end of the month. Probably the end of this month. So yeah, make sure you join in for that and keep an eye out for that, because it is a good one. So I hope you enjoyed that video, guys. I know it was another short and sweet one. If you did, make sure you hit that like button and the subscribe button down below. Also, why don't you come across to our social media? We've got Twitter, we've got Instagram, and also we've got our Facebook page. The links for them will be in the description below. Come over and check us out. Also, I do have a Patreon channel. If you can come over there, you can you see some behind the scenes stuff. We're going to be having some things that aren't going to feature on the main channel, and yeah, there's some pictures, updates that I don't do on this main channel. So I hope you enjoyed this video. See you all again next time. Take care. Bye bye.